Hello, my friends. Before I get to today's pour, I would like to quickly show you a couple of things. Someone watched this video recently and wanted to see the dried result. This video was done quite a while ago. It's one of my very favorite ring and ribbons. I love the way this green strip especially is transparent. You can see the rings through it, and very happy with that. It's one of the few pieces I'm keeping, so I'll link the video up above. I used the color wheel to come up with my color scheme, and there it is. So it dries smooth as silk when you use the polyacrylic mix, which I always detail below when I do this technique. So that's that. Next, I would like to give a little plug for my friend Nilda's channel. Let me bring you in a little closer here. I painted this little ocean scene in oils. How's that? From a lesson that she gave. It's not nearly as pretty as hers, but I'm not unhappy with it. I think it's kind of neat. I've never painted an oils an ocean scene before. I've painted in oils many times, but I made it challenging on myself because I used water mixable oils, which she did not, and I didn't even have the same colors. So I really had to do some mixing and matching, but I'm pretty pleased with the way it came out. So she gave a full tutorial for this painting and many, many others. If you're interested, please visit the online painting school and check it out. Okay, today's pour, I am inspired by an artist named Brenna Harker. She has just started her YouTube channel, but she's been pouring for quite some time, and she's got remarkable style and sense of color. And so I would encourage you to check out her new channel, subscribe, and follow her. I'm going to be doing a similar technique to what she did, and I'm using her recipe. Not her colors, though, because I don't want to completely plagiarize. I'm using Phthalo green blue, Cad blue green, light hue, both Soho colors, and 2 Artist Loft, old gold and copper. Those are my colors, and it's just mixed with Floetrol. And that's about it. Let me where is my canvas? Oh my gosh, where's it? Here it is. Oh, now I need to zoom out a bit. That's good. Okay, it's a 12 by 12 and deep canvas. Pretty much just going to do a traveling straight pour. Wait till you go see the one she put up as her premiere video. It's just remarkable. So beautiful. She just used, I think, 3 colors. All right, here we go. I'm going to start with this beautiful phthalo green blue. Maybe I'll go to the copper. The gold, and then I will speed up the filling of the rest of the cup. Okay, this is thicker than I normally do, but I want to see if I can't get some of the same effects that Brenna does. So here we go. And she has far more patience than I do in the tilting and pouring. So who knows if I will get anything close in appearance. Hoping I can get some more of that dark come through. Here it comes. I want to be able to preserve that, so I'm going to go over here. She pours in one continuous pour, but I did not, obviously. Oh my gosh, stop talking, Chris. And she used a flow extender. I don't know if I have any standing by. Let's see. Okay. What do I have? That's a cloud mix. I don't want to use that. What's this? Artist Loft plus white. That's for the Dutch pour. Or actually, I think it's just Artist Loft plus water. I'm going to go ahead and use that. Because I would like to keep some of this. Oh, it's not white at all. Look at that. I think this must have been leftovers from the last Dutch pour I did. I just combined all the leftovers, so it's pretty. Oh, it's quite pretty actually. It's very runny. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that out. Oops, I couldn't see what I was doing. It went right off. The color happens to go with this nicely. It's a beautiful, rich brown. Maybe I don't want to use it all up. I'll set that aside. Just kind of do this. Did I say she doesn't add water? I always do. This seemed quite thick to me, but she doesn't use it, and I wanted to give that a try. It's just 2 parts Floetrol, one part paint. Pretty easy, but you know, the type of paint, the brand of paint you use is going to make a difference. in your results. Okay. Good enough. I hate to lose all that, but I'm going to. All right, and here we go. Now this is where Brenna has an enormous amount of patience. She doesn't go over any edges until I don't know what she decides on, but I'm going to try the same thing, just kind of get to the edges. She moves a lot slower than this. But I've never been one for really slow, so here we go. All right, I'm going to get to all the corners now. Wow, there's a lot of cell action. Just surprising, although I do have 2 metallics in here and a good amount of Floetrol. Interesting sides. I like the copper with that alongside the phthalo green blue. That's pretty cool. I think I like this as the bottom. I think this is going to have to go. We're having rain in California for the first time in a very long time. It's wonderful. We need it. Oh yeah, that helped. That helped the composition a lot, I think. I like that dark corner there. I think I could live with this. This is how I see it, the way I've turned it to you. Fun. Let me bring you in for a closer look. I like that area right there. I think that's the most interesting. But I like, overall, I like the whole thing. Even that corner up there I like. And those little copper fingers there. I like it. So, as I said, this was much thicker mix than I generally use, but I'm pleased with it. It will be interesting to see how it dries. I thank you, Brenna, for the inspiration, and please do go check out her channel, my friends. See you next time.